Are robots taking over our daily lives? It sure looks like it. From vacuuming our floors to cooking gourmet meals, robots are no longer just a thing of the future, they're here, changing the way we live every single day. Imagine waking up to the aroma of coffee brewed by an AI-powered barista, your robotic vacuum already gliding across the floor, and a smart kitchen assistant preparing breakfast while you get ready. Sounds like a dream, right? But this is our reality. Across the world, automation is reshaping industries. Factories run smoother with robotic arms assembling products at lightning speed. Warehouses are patrolled by self-driving machines, ensuring efficiency like never before. Even in hospitals, robotic assistants are helping doctors perform surgeries with extreme precision. And at home, the list keeps growing. AI-driven laundry machines that sort and fold clothes, robotic chefs that whip up gourmet meals, smart assistants that manage schedules, control lighting, and even detect intruders. The convenience is undeniable. But here's the real question: what does this mean for us? As robots handle more tasks, are we heading toward a future where human work becomes obsolete? Will jobs disappear, or will technology open the door to new opportunities? Experts argue that while automation eliminates repetitive tasks, it also creates demand for skills that robots can't replicate: creativity, emotional intelligence, and human decision-making. Robots aren't just making life easier, they're also helping those in need. In elderly care, robotic companions offer support and assistance, providing comfort to those who need it most. In disaster zones, autonomous machines perform search and rescue missions, saving lives where humans can't reach. The future is unfolding before our eyes. Robots are getting smarter, faster, and more integrated into our world. But as we embrace this new age of automation, one question remains: are we truly in control, or are we becoming too reliant on machines? What do you think? Are robots the key to a smarter, more efficient future, or are they taking over more than we realize? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. The future is here, let's explore it together.